If you're struggling to spice up your YouTube videos and you want to make them more engaging to retain more viewers, here I got you some ideas. Let's begin with blurring. Blur seems to be the new trend. Everyone is using it right now. Adding blur to your long-form videos can be very useful for transitions, particularly if you want to introduce a new chapter or title inside your video. Also, so many editors are resorting to blurring effects when it comes to designing thumbnails. My best option for adding a blurring effect is the Gaussian blur in After Effects. And if you feel a bit creative, you can perfectly combine it with masking or text animations. My next recommendation would be out-of-frame elements. Everyone has seen the usual edits, but have you tried experimenting with the same element in different contexts? This is very useful for transitions, to connect two different ideas, and also to keep the viewers entertained. If you want to achieve this effect, I recommend you to play around with rotoscoping or masking techniques. Next up is text animation. We can't ignore the fact that the main message we want to convey in our videos is usually transmitted orally. Videos are there to add complementary information, or to reinforce the main message. And let's be honest, sometimes we talk too much. That's why viewers need some written text in the video to follow the main idea. Text animations help us keep the viewers watching and keep them focused on what we are saying. If you work with After Effects, there are plenty of plugins that you can download to add text animations. My go-to animations for social media are usually the text on a path, the 3D text, and personally I also love to combine my text animations with masking. Of course, you also have the slide in, the fade up animations, but you can use CapCut for those things. Next, of course, I'm going to recommend adding motion graphics to your videos. Remember that nowadays everyone can record themselves and upload a video, but if you want to stand out, you can add motion graphics. This will always make videos more dynamic, more entertaining, and most importantly, you're going to catch the viewer's attention. Since I'm currently experimenting with brush strokes in After Effects, I really recommend you adding them to videos that require a lot of movement, like choreography videos, for example. Last but not least, I recommend you playing around with speed ramping effects. I particularly find this technique very sexy for car videos, modeling, makeup videos, or beauty in general. But also for travel videos, especially for drone footage that is used to capture the landscapes. For this technique, you can try the time remapping option in Adobe Premiere Pro. This has been MBM in Motion. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
They call me a